Hi everyone, welcome back to Kira and Kyra. Look at this cutie. She's watching the Christmas lights. Oh dear. You're watching the Christmas lights on the Christmas tree. Eh? You're watching Christmas lights. Beautiful girl, aren't you? Look, it is so heavy. Are you watching yourself? Eh? Who's that? Look at these cute little toes. He's so cute. Oh, relaxed, aren't you? Beautiful girl. Shh, 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 shh. Some little cuties woke up ready for a bottle. Been listening to music, haven't we? We've got to get ready for I'm a Celebrity. Yeah. Someone's in a good mood. Milk coma, just chilling. So in the last clip, Kyra looked so content, like she's gonna go to sleep. But I had to send her home because I think she still got a bit of colic. She was crying, she was throwing up. And that's not like little baby Kyra. So it's best if she goes back to her mum. But yeah, she just wasn't herself, bless her, crying, and like she kept bringing up the wind and she kept trumping a lot, but and moving her legs like she got bellyache, and I hadn't even watched any of the I'm a Celebrity yet. It's been on in the background, but I've been so busy. But I'm not going to end this video. When I look after her again, I might just like do it during the day or something like that, just in case. And, you know, just keep it all rolling and everything like that. But I'm sweating now. I need to change my pajamas because I do have puke on them somewhere. Only a little dribble, but they need changing anyway. But yeah, hopefully when she's better, I will vlog her again. Oh, I start the video when you trump. So today is Friday and I'm looking after Kyra for a few hours whilst her mum wraps some prezzies up. But you're feeling better? Oh, you got wicked. Who's that, Kyra? She's literally forcing out farts. Oh yeah. Oh dear. Another babysitting session with my beautiful niece. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. 7 weeks old now. Milk Tash. Some more. Got some Wendy's. Oh, you just farted on me. Fed and changed and winded. All happy. And yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. I could just sit watching her all day. Sleeping. Your mummy or daddy will be in half an hour to pick you up, sweetheart. You have no idea, do you? You don't get what I'm saying, do you? With these little handies. So cute and tiny.